All right, we're at the dunes for the night shoot. Forgot my carrying bag at home. So now I gotta do a survivor challenge in order to lug this 18.5-pound beast, if not more, to the sand dunes. Okay, here's our spot. We're at the pedestrian only area. Right over there is gonna be our nighttime shoot location. Very beautiful out here, we'll say. Much different than the RV section. You're okay? Holy shit! I hope he got it. That was big. Oh, right in my God. Oh. All right, we're back at the hotel room. Damage report from night one. Nothing too bad. Looks like I did pop out a pin on the front passenger side hub. Doesn't look like it broke, it just looks like it popped out. So I gotta try and fix that real quick because the front has some pretty nasty camber. I don't know if you can see that. Hard to tell on camera, but yeah. Looks like I got some toe and I got some camber going on. I don't know if you can see, but it kind of flexes right here. If you look, so it looks like that pin right there needs to go to the inside of this hub right here. And it doesn't look like it's broke, it just looks like it popped out. So I'm gonna get my tools and I'm gonna fix that. All right, here we are next morning. Shout out to Silverback Off-Road for actually having some parts in stock. They don't have the exact kit for this, but we found out that the XMAXX kit, this long pin, is the exact same length. But yeah, you can see just sheared. Let's go ahead and put it in and go back out.